Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make basically pages in HTML using JavaScript. Not really, you do need CSS for this to be honest, but yeah, let's just get right into it. So first I'm going to make a class called page, just simple as that. And what you want to do is you want to make the position absolute, so just like this, and then make it go to the top by doing 0% and then left by 0%. And then just make it fill the whole page, right? That's what we want to do. So make the width and the height 100%, and then change the z index. The z index just changes what's on top of other things. Just make it a high number. Yeah, just like that. And then just add a color to it. Simply, and then just hide it. So that's not right. Okay. And then you want to take your class name, put it into JavaScript, make a const page var is equal to document query selector. Just then put it in just like this. Make sure you add your selector here if you did a hashtag or a dot, whatever you want to do, and then just make a function called open page. And so you want to take this variable, and then you can do two ways of doing this. You could either do your element and then dot class list dot add, and then you can open another class and you can just make it open, or you can just do it how I'm gonna do it. Dot style visibility low. Whoa. Is equal to visible, just like that. And then if you and then just make one more function here called close page, just like that, and then change visible to hidden, just like this. So now, in HTML, just make a button, make on click attribute, and then add this in. Don't forget the parentheses, very important. Make sure you add a name to your button so it doesn't be really little. I'm just gonna name it page. Yes, I forgot something very important. You have to make the class in HTML. I'm just gonna make it into a div. My bad about that. We all forget things from time to time. It's just a common thing I forget. So you have to make sure you add it into HTML too. Something I forget to do a lot. So now, as you can see, it works. But who just wants to be stuck on this page, right? You want to be able to close it. So you want to go into your HTML right here of your class thing that you should have just added probably. And then you want to add a button, make another on-click attribute, but now go to close page, very important. Close page, don't forget those parentheses. And then just name it close. Wow, nice capitalization there. And then as you can see, open the page, close the page, open the page, close the page. As you can see, you can just do that. So yeah, that's basically how you can make a page. You can make endless pages, very easy.